After have been in Warsaw, we went to Oslo. It was a direct flight for Norwegian Airways, so we took it. We also bought the Oslo Pass, which includes the public transport zone 1 too. So you need to buy from the airport additionally a ticket, so we can recommend to take the flight ticket Airport Express. I think one of the most incredible thing is that you are so far from the equator, so the days are very long and you should stay put on what you are used to sleep. People are used to it, so they will be gathering around, walking and being how they are, enjoying the sun. Because during winter they will only have 2 or 3 hours of sunlight, so they catch much sun as possible in summertime. And also it's very recommendable when you like a museum to go on the other side with a little boat or by bus to see the expedition and also the Viking stories. It was absolutely stunning to see how people have lived on a boat for multiple years for an expedition and how they went through struggles, and everyone had a task to finish the complete expedition. Norway is also famous for their different kinds of seafood and beer, so we went to one of the restaurants which we had a discount from our Oslo Pass. In here you see a lot of people crowded, staying in the queue for a little ferry to get out of the fjord for sightseeing tour. And we took here a chance with our Oslo Pass to see and have a walking tour through the whole city, the heart of Oslo. While walking with the tour, you will see the Oslo Opera House. It's very recommendable to go up there and see the whole city from above. In the National Museum you can find the very famous art from Munch, the screen. And here you have the possibility to see it during the whole day, whereas you have it also in the Munch Museum, but there it is only available for 3 hours. Taking public transport in Oslo is a must do. It's very comfortable. A little tip: the T-Bane or metro is only available during day, not during night.